Hello there. Welcome to my class. Now let's talk about deserts. A desert is a large, dry area of land with very low amounts of plants. Plants have a hard time growing in deserts because there is rarely any rain, which means hardly any water for plants to grow. There is only about 10 inches of rain per year in the deserts, and it can evaporate before it hits the ground, leaving the ground and soil too dry for most plants to grow. Deserts are found around the world, and they make up roughly 33% of all the land on Earth. There are many different types of deserts, but for the most part, they can be put into two categories: hot or cold deserts. Hot deserts are covered in sand, rocks, and hills. It can reach very high temperatures of 122 degrees Fahrenheit during the day in the summertime, but can also fall down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit at night during the winter. The Sahara Desert in northern Africa is the largest hot desert in the world, and it is also the hottest. Some types of hot deserts can be in the middle of the continent or close to an ocean. Coastal deserts are usually very windy because the nearby ocean creates a lot of wind that travels through the desert. The Atacama Desert in Chile is an example of a coastal hot desert. Even though it is near the ocean, it is still very dry. Deserts in the middle of a continent are so far away from any ocean that the air is very dry. The Taklamakan Desert in China is an example of this type of dry, hot desert far from water. This hot desert is covered in huge sand dunes that look like they continue forever. Sometimes in these hot deserts with lots of dry sand, strong winds will blow sand up in the air into what is called a sandstorm. Sandstorms can be up to thousands of feet in the sky and can travel hundreds of miles through the desert. Cold deserts, on the other hand, can be covered in snow or ice. Antarctica is the world's largest cold desert. But there are other cold deserts around the world, such as the Gobi Desert in Asia. Well, that's all I have for deserts. Stay tuned for the next cool lesson.